Hello guys and welcome back on channel from Zero to Millionaire. Today I show you how to add to your channel custom channel art. If you don't have my previous video where I show you how to for free and very easy way prepare YouTube channel art, I very recommend you go to this video. So please stop this video, go to this video, watch how to prepare your channel art, and back to this video when you will be have prepared this channel art. And if you have prepared channel art, we can start add this channel art to your channel.
But before we get into it, and if you're new here and you like videos about making money online and working from home, then go hit the subscription channel and that notification bell below to know when I post a new video.
How to do this is very simple. You need to go to your channel. So go to your channel, and here will be an option customize channel. So push this button and you can save this icon, and you have here information edit channel art. So push this, and now you can upload image what you created. Of course you can't use your image from your photos or from gallery. So you have three options here, but you prepared your custom channel art, so you use this option, upload your image. When upload is finished, you'll see some example how will they look your banner on different devices like desktop, TV or mobiles. And if look okay, push button select. If you have some adjustments, you can this adjustment makes this is button to crop, so you can simply use this rectangle to change size and crop image, and change main position of your banner. So this is a very nice option if you need to make some adjustments. In my case, I have everything okay, so I back to my full size of this crop system, back to device preview, and push button select. And that's all. My channel art is saved and now is visible on my channel, and this look very good. If you have any question about this topic, or if you want I'm prepared some special video about some other topic, please put this information to comments below. I will try prepare some video about this topic.
Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, enable notifications, and we will see you in the next one.